Ikamata a video ya mtsiku la lero mukhala mutadziwa mayina a anthu amene akukhuzidwa ndi ndondomeko ija ya Green Belt Authority imene inali initiative ya mega farms imene amenewa a Rosa Fachimbirizi awayitchula kumene kuku ku nyumba ya malamulo. Ngati mukumbukira bwino pakatipa kunali initiative ya mega farms imene mu nthawiyo nduna ya zamalimidwe ali a Sam Kawale kumene kudalowa ndithu ndalama zochuluka zimene anthu ankafuna kuti apindulire alimi amene angayambise mega farms ngati ma cooperatives. Komano ndizomvetsa chisoni kunena kuti mu initiative imeneyi mwapezeka nduna zochuluka komanso ma MP ochuluka amene ali nawo mu mndandanda. Komano nkhani ndina kuti a Rosa Fachimbirizi atapemphedwa kuti apereke mayina a anthu amene akukhuzidwa ndi kutengedwa kwa ndalama za mega farms, mamembala ena a chipani cha Malawi Congress Party adayamba ndi kung'ung'uza komanso kutsutsa kuti iyayi mayinawa asawerengedwe pamenepo. M'malo mwake Victor Msowa amene ndi First Deputy Speaker adalamula kuti Rosa Fachimbirizi aulutse mayinawa. So taonerani video iyi mumve mayina a anthu amene atchulidwa mu mndandanda wa anthu amene adapindula nawo ndondomeko ya mega farms koma ngongole yake mpaka lero sanabweze. So mumva mafigala ochuluka ena ochititsa mantha kuti ndalama zimene zikupereka kwa munthu mmodzi amaganiza bwanji amene anali director kumeneko ku mega farms, komanso anduna mu nthawi imeneyo amalingalira bwanji a Sam Kawale. Musaiwale kuti nawonso adamangidwa pakatipa akukhuzidwanso ndi kubedwa kwa ndalama za nkhaninkhani kumeneko ku mega farms. So taonerani zimene analankhula amene anduna mayina onse.
I have no problems reading out the names because it's very important that I do that. What I request from the House is, from the comments that have been made and from the questions, I request that I be given time to review the list, because the list that I have is only for defaulters. But I want to come up with a list that includes everybody that benefited. Although Mr. First Deputy Speaker, the fact that these other people have paid does not make them to be part of the list that I have here, because as far as mega farms is concerned, they are in the correct position. So I once again wish to inform the members that I have the list for both 2024 and 2023-24 and 2024-25. It's a long list, and I request, therefore, that I present this list in here, announcing one by one how much they owe and where they come from, because that is important. And then the House will have a full picture of what was happening under mega farms. I request, First Deputy Speaker, that I read out the names today, or in the interest of time, maybe I can read out these names on Friday. Thank you.
For a point of order, there's a Gasina. Once again, good afternoon, First Deputy Speaker. And I will draw you, First Deputy Speaker, to our Standing Order 102, accuracy of facts, where a member is responsible for accuracy of any facts which he or she alleges to be true. Now, the Honorable Minister of Agriculture has made insinuation of the names where she says they were politically motivated, and she said she had evidence. Now we are giving her a chance to name out, read out those defaulters who are politically connected, or those who were given these loans under political influence, because she said she has evidence. Now, without going into circles, can she read out the names? Or produce the evidence which she says she has evidence that these defaulters, they were politically motivated to be given those things. If not, then our standing orders are very clear that she must withdraw those statements. I submit, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you very much. I hear your point of order, and let me rule as follows. The standing order you have cited is indeed true, that when you have evidence, no one will gag you to bring that evidence, and if deemed correct. But I also want to draw the House to standing order 177, that talks opportunity to reply to an allegation, where evidence is given or a statement is made during the proceedings of a committee that contains allegations against or that may seriously damage the reputation of a person, the committee shall take steps to have that person informed or that evidence or statement, and to have a reasonable opportunity to respond to that evidence or statement within a reasonable time by written submission. But honourable members, it looks like there's a consensus of this House to hear the names. The chair, if I rule otherwise, would like I was one of the beneficiaries of that list. The chair, therefore, is being determined to follow the House, and considering that we are not breaking any law, and that all what we discuss in this House, we have immunity over all what we discuss in this House, I therefore guarantee the Honourable Minister to read out the names. Honourable Minister, you have the floor. The fact that you have so many names, if it feels you can start to a point where this House can decide to refer the rest to the committee, but if you can manage to read all of them, you have the floor, Honourable Minister.
Thank you very much. First, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker. I start with those that defaulted on the 2023-24 growing season.
Minister, Honourable Minister,
Chifundo.
Just hold on. Honourable Member and Whip for MCP, you are one of the people that wants this list to be read out. And why are you rising?
Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker. We are very happy with the process that we are embarking on, but then the list being only in the hands of the Honourable Minister, and reading from it, she's at liberty to skip a name. Our request is that she circulates as per her earlier undertaking. Let it be circulated, then we'll be following.
We'll be following.
Since she had made the undertaking that she's ready, may she circulate it, then we'll be following from there.
Exactly.
Otherwise, we are very happy.
Thank you. Honour members, honour members. Honour members, honour members, let me guide the House that, honour members, even the statement that honour minister has presented was circulated immediately after, electronically, and the leaders may the responsible honourable member for electronic transfers please circulate the statement and the names electronically while the honourable minister continues to deliver the names. Thank you.
Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker. I start with 2023-24 growing season. Chifundo Pagamisa, 543.3 million. Katoto investments, 157,500,000. Regina Kanjaza, 196,946,000. Vitumbiko Chitaya, 169,930,000. Joseph Gideon, 167,788,000.
These are defaulters. The list that she has is a list of defaulters, according to the honourable minister.
146,700,000. Honourable Second Deputy Speaker, let me mention that I'm reading out the figures in round figures. Helen Zalira Chabunya, 143,740,000. Edith Nkoma, 140,307,000. Priscilla Muntali, 127,017,000. Joshua Msisha.
Honour members from the opposition, let's take this exercise very serious. We requested for it. Actually, there were names that she started with of people that you know, and now that someone you don't know to belong to you has been mentioned, you want to pretend you don't know the other names. Let's be fair. Let's be fair and listen to the honourable minister in silence. Honourable Minister, please proceed.
Honourable Second Deputy Speaker, we have Pike Nyirenda, 119 million, Benson Chiseu, 100,600,000, Agnes Chalera Banda, 88,956,000, Benson Chikunga, 76 million, Blessings Lucia Mwale, 63 million, James Rogers, 62 million, Edward Kantunzi of Livingstonia Synod, 61,823,000, Agrippa Piri, 61,600,000, Irene Dila, 59 million, Grace Muhango, 59 million, Lyson Sakala, 53 million, George Masiku, 52 million, Rebecca Namwela, 48 million, Kennedy Banda, 46 million, Tarsisius Nita, 44 million, Philip Banali, 43.6 million, Lon Pekani Nguruwe, 39 million, Samson Chasweka, 37.6 million, Roderick Chataika, 35.4 million, James Masare, 35 million, Jonathan Boaz Kamakanda, 33 million, Martin Ishadi, Sunny Limited, 33 million, Henry Muyaya, 30 million, Ferry Beatrice Nasolo, 30 million. Esa Umbukwa.
Honourable Minister, you might need a drink. Take your water. Honourable Member for Pilanjus, are you okay with the list?
Deputy Speaker, yesterday I told you that I was angry, and today I'm very, very angry. We cannot go on like this as a country. This has to come to an end. When we borrow from government, it's not a grant. We need to pay back. So I am glad that the Honourable Minister has referred this matter to the Attorney General for legal action. And that is why I also want to ask the same Attorney General to make sure that he acts swiftly on the issue we raised yesterday about the 90 billion. May the Attorney General deal with that issue. Actually, that money has to be frozen before they share. Because you know what happens? You see, it's very few people that actually benefit, and yet they want to paint all of us with the same brush. The same with the 90 billion. Not everyone has shared the 90 billion here. It's very few people that are benefiting from this 90 billion. And out there, people are saying it's DBB, DBB, when it's not everybody there. Very few people. May the Attorney General freeze the 98 billion and make sure that those criminals.
Thank you very much. Honour members, I wanted the Honour Minister to rest a bit. And why did I pick Pilanjuzi? Because yesterday he was very angry. So listening to the names of people that he personally know, and some of them I personally know as a politician, and he knows them well. That's why I picked on him. Nothing serious. And Chiwamba, you know these people that have been mentioned. You know them well. Minister of Lands, for point of order.
Mr. First Deputy Speaker, I wanted to find out why there's a what? There's a casino. Always disobeys the rules of Parliament. When you're speaking, he's standing. When members here are speaking, is he a special person in this Parliament?
Honourable Minister, I would like to agree with you. Honourable Ilonge Kasina, please, there's a casino. Please take things serious from now. I think we have, the speakership have warned you several times. Learn to take things serious. I know that you are level of excitement with the names because you know the names that are being mentioned here. And you are so excited. You are so excited. Please, can we reduce the noise so we hear the real names? I pray your names are not here. Thank you.
Esa Umbukwa, 30 million. Love Mopemba, 26 million. Yanjanani Piri, 23 million. Amos Rolento Mteto, 22 million. Priska Harawa, 22 million. Martin Dasowa, 21 million. Charles Harawa, 21 million. Charles Mazinga, 21 million. Abel Ephraim Kayembe, 20 million. Blessings Chimpamba, 20 million. Harold Foster, 19 million. Isafa General Farming, 19 million. Michael Kamua, 19 million. But there's a part payment there. Magdalena Mambia, 18.7 million. Haswell Chakwera, 18.4 million. Terita Chitsulo, 18 million. Iwalani Kachapira, 18 million. Alufeo Malukomo, 17.6 million. Edmond Kutua, 17.2 million. George Kanyambo, 17.2 million. Daniel Chipokosa, 17 million. Rudoviko Sambaya, 16 million. Grace Makupete, 16 million. There is part payment. Francis Karambule, 16 million. Alpha Gamma, 13 million. Wilfred Pidi, 15 million, part payment. Mark Chikoko, 14 million with part payment. Doreen Mtali, 14 million. Isaac Banda, 14 million with part payment. Gertrude Namwanza Banda, 14 million. Charles Kawale, 14 million. Atusae Kajala Mafulirwa, 14 million. Margaret Monica Tindwa, 13 million. Nasem Sisha, 12 million. Selemani Jalakala, 12 million. Leonard Njiko, 12 million. Kenny Gunsalu, 11 million. Fred Kazombo, 11 million. Blessings Jingolombe, 11 million. Mwangupiri Ngosi, 11 million. John Kondowe, 11 million. Joseph Makwawa, 10 million. Stephen Aipira, 11 million. Tamandani Banda, 11 million. Seka Chizinga, 11 million. Sam Chipala, 10.6 million. John Mponde, 10.5 million. Kennedy Nkoma, 10 million. Timothy Epulani, 9.8 million. Macnon Kilembe, 9.7 million. Stephen Chirambo, 9.5 million. Usama Kamisi, 9 million. Gertrude Umali, 9 million. Ezias Banda, 8.5 million. Eric Abel Tembo, 8 million. Adam Nyirenda, 7 million. Charles Kambalame, 7 million. Maria Kachaka, 7 million. Flora Gondwe, 5.5 million. Owen Kandulu, 9.8 million with part payment. Erubeka Fugiza, 12.4 million with part payment. Morris Makina, 6 million. George Mjale, 6 million. Brighton Msosa, 5.8 million. Chikondi Kapalepale, 5.4 million. Christopher Ntalimanja, 5.4 million. Jameson Ndawala, 5.5 million. Willie Kamera, 5 million. Part payments, Eunice Likonde, 5 million. Samson Sanena, 7 million part payment. Togozani Onamu, 7 million part payment. Christopher Kaunda, 4 million part payment. Gertrude Ngwira, 12 million with part payment. Christopher Mogoya, 5 million with part payment. Matilda Mbale, 4 million with part payment. Dumisani Nguruwe, 4 million. Roslyn Mandala, 4 million. Caroline Kashirika, 4 million. Esther Pwitiko, 4 million. Peter Chapuma, 3.5 million. John Gutsu, 2.7 million. Anne Kandulu, 2.7 million. Harrison Limame, 2.6 million. Alice Kamanga, 2.5 million. Maggie Nundwe, 2.1 million. Blessings Chimpamba, 1.8 million. Christina Chitira, 1.8 million. Trines Madaka, 1.6 million with part payment. Kulinji Kapote, 1.1 million. Angela Ngalande, 1.1 million. Robert Mlenga, 679,000. Cecilia Mumba, 593,000. Tumbiko Mbale, 443. Stephen Graham Banda, 257. Tanyanyiwa Lorencia, 199,000. Rudo Chakwera, 3 million with part payment. Balance is 183,000. So I now go to 2025, I now go to the last growing season. Hare Kanjuzi, 590 million with part payment. Jairus Bonongwe, 397 million. Tipirire Chambankoma, Tipirire Chambankoma, the loan was 325 million. The balance is 130 million. Paul Dumbembe Nkoma, 313 million with a balance of 86 million. Ule Muchila Pondwa, 291 million. Sekeleni Chisimba, 303 million with part payment. Esther Chamalaka, 325 million. Chakufa Chihana, 318.6 million. Yafet Chikunga, 307 million. Bareke Kaonga, 243 million. Claire Kaunda, 281.6 million. Kalima Chimanja, 271 million. William Mbiliam Veka, 260 million. Titani Kamutu, 249 million. Anthony Ngoma, 239 million. Zakaria Mbulunga, 235 million. Abel Kalinde, 233 million. Madalitso Kazombo, 225 million with part payment. Limbikani Mahachi, 223 million. Tendai Gama, 220 million. Ezekiel Chingoma, a balance of 23 million. Patrick Namvai, 213 million. Alik Muntali, 188 million. Shadrick Friday Marua, 209 million. Chimwemwe Kalazi, 205 million. Yona Mtanga, 205 million. Alinafe Sawasawa, 130 million. Maxwell Makaza, 203 million. Jean Rose Gotani Mkandawire, 198 million. Gareth Fisombero, 167 million. James Mdala, 189 million. Hyphen Dishani, 188 million. Alex Chirwa, 186 million. Justin Likunya, 186 million. Jeannie Mona Sendeza, 182 million. Geoffrey Mbulo, 180 million. Sobani Gomezulu, 176 million. Paul Nyirenda, 176 million. Tadara Kambwiri, 173 million. Katenje Samuel, 155 million. Samuel Katenje, again, 53.9 million. Frank Misozi Alawe, 173 million. Ricky Kantema, 172 million. Devi Mwina Manghoma, 169 million. Kisumu Kani, 167 million. Vitumbiko Mbulo, 166 million. Pitilizani James Banda, 164.8 million. Gift Kadam Manja Chunga, 164 million. Afford Matthias Matewere, 164 million. Elizabeth Nkwazi, 163 million. Madalitso Seremani, 162 million. Kazanja Bridge Note, 157 million with part payment. Natasha Piri, 161 million. Vicente Cosmas, 160 million. Isaac Malua, 158 million. Tita Farida Juma, 157 million. Mark Griven Matemba, 156 million. Samuel Selemani, 136.7 million. Owen Malinjani, 154 million. Richard Sanudi, 152 million. Abdul Hape Kamwendo, 152 million. Chris Elifala, 147 million. Noel Nyanda, 151 million. Scholastica Chinse Umposi, 150 million. Rodney Adams Nkoma, 138 million with part payment. Hare Malua, 137 million with part payment. Grace Jonas Chibwana, 71 million. Paul Muowo, 148 million. Clara Shimwaza Meke, 128 million with part payment. Peter Chikafe Piri, 116 million. Charles Kasaliga, 107 million. Blessings Chingolombe, 144 million. Bowden Mtonga, 143 million. Regina Ganjaza, 142.9 million. Peter Malua, 128 million with part payment. Jafet Vinyemba Banda, 140 million. Fatima Sanudi, 137 million. Jessica Pombe, 137 million. Smollett Kachere, 137 million. Mavuto Simon Kaunda, 136 million. Samson Chikako Selemani, 119 million with part payment. Michael Felix, 135 million. George Elisa, 132 million. Mzuzu University Trust Fund, 93 million balance. Martin Julius Jawadu, 132 million. Jesse Kambuku, 127 million. Selemani Jalakala, 126.6 million. Kashima Cooperative, part payment, 111 million. Willard Kanali, 126 million. Changu Cooperative, 126 million. Albert Chitakuko Nyirongo, 126 million. Edith Nkoma, balance of 85 million. Abraham Kaiton Mwale, 125 million. John Mbendera Samarani, 124 million. Saiwale Kavina, 120 million. Benjamin Paliani, 120 million. Mavuto Kambalame, 117 million. Kondwani Kambuzi, 117 million. Dano Mosesi, 117 million. Charles Yusufu, 117 million. Riazi Isa, 117 million. Yasin Makobara, 117 million. Matthias Matewere, 116 million. David Ziambo, 116 million. James Mbugi, 78 million. John Samiteni, 115 million. Emile Chokani, 115 million. Martin James Banda, 115 million. Bright Msosa, 115 million. Anne Chibwana, 114 million. Roderick Samuel, 95 million. Amos Chibwana, 111 million.
Honourable Minister, you can take a drink. The names as they continue. The Honourable Chair seated here is enjoying the list, and Honourable members, on a serious note, listening to some of the names that are being mentioned here, and the young people I know in town, their names are being mentioned here, it must either be us that sent them to collect these monies, and I would like to appeal to them, if they are listening from Parliament now, please come forward. You cannot die in silence forever. Some of the names, I know one guy from Kawale who is completely poor, and he wants 68 million. If you give him that type of money, he would have been better by now. It's very sad. If us politicians use their names or their identity cards to collect these loans, please come forward. The floor is now open for you to come forward. Honourable Minister, you still have the names?
Yes. Roderick Samuel, 95 million payment. I think I already mentioned Amos Chibwana, 111 million. Wisdom Gondwe, 110 million. Frank Chisakalimi, 89 million. Matilda Banda, 109 million. Manyusa Oliver, 108 million. Crispin Nsema, 108 million. Brave Ndrovu, 72 million. Wendy Nalumo, 40 5 million. Arnold Ntesa, 95 million. Matapira Simon Tsumba, 85 million. Stonard Chapulumuka, 107 million. Henry Chisao, 106 million. Gotani Mkandawire, 106 million. Maklake Douglas, 105 million. Jafet Chatsalira Nyemba, 105 million. Patrick Diaz, 104 million. Memory Moyo, 100 million part payment. Stonard Panga, 104 million. Jeriam Kankuwe Chiputu, 102 million. Henry Ngoma, 101 million. Wongani Chirwa, 101 million. Kumbize Kandodo Chiponda, 101 million. Christopher Boniface Zimadzi, 101 million. Petro James Chabwera, 88 million part payment. Kenneth Ndovi, 100 million. Fletcher First Deputy Speaker, Petro James Chabwera, 88 million part payment. Kenneth Ndovi, 100 million. Fletcher Sabwezie Ndelana, 100 million. Zulilo Pondamali, 83 million. Adamson Chimbia, 99 million. Miriam Piri, 77 million part payment. Maria Nkoma, 83 million part payment. Doreen Chikusa, 99 million. Douglas Marikebu, 98 million. Alice Ntodwa Mare, 35.8 million. Jonathan Mandolo, 35 million. Jane Hauya, 97 million. Kondwani Ntesa Njipiri, 97 million. Patricia Mwakilama, 97 million. Edward Chisamba, 96 million. Ian Msisha, 75 million. McLean Kadzakumanja, 89 million part payment. Owen Ntonga, 91 million. Ngeniwe Mkandawire, 90 million part payment. Moffat Chitsosa, 92 million. Balon Moyo, 79 million part payment. Balance is 54 million. Solomon Chitawale, 92 million. Gabriel Mtunzi, 66 million part payment. Louis Yohane, 91 million. Emmanuel Chikapa, 81 million part payment. Miklas Nsema, 89 million. Clement Tokozani Chapuma, a balance of 7 million. Joshua Karekeni, 83 million part payment. Cosmas Bizwork, 88 million. Prince Banda, 88 million. Ganizani Tawani, 88 million. Irene Dila, 88 million. Jonas Shumba, 88 million. Zuone Lodzeni, 87 million. Ellen Poya, 86 million. Tone Mwenitete, 83 million. Emmanuel Sambakunsi, 85 million. Memory Chibwana, 85 million. Sadati Mzungu, 85 million. Fortune Mkolola, 85 million. Rebecca Kapota, 84.8 million. Mike Banda, 84.8 million. Thomas Nkoma, 84.6 million. Innocent Banda BRC, 84.4 million. Victor Lombola, 84.2 million. March Kunduma, 84 million. Jolex Mbewe Baskolo, 83 million. Kevin Sato, Mzimba Chiefs, 84 million. Matthias Blugama, 83 million. Bivot Kashidede, 82 million. Gresham Kashimera, 81 million with part payment. Stewart Banda, 82 million. Foster Chikunga, 82 million. Obre Sambakunsi, 82 million. Devin Tiesanji Piri, 82 million. McDonald Chimpeni, 75 million with part payment. Clara Chirwa, 81 million. Evelyn Gareta, 81 million. Simon Kondwani, 81 million. Gilbert Kadzanja, 76 million part payment. Jime Chimpimba, 31 million. Stuart Sandkonda, 80 million. Patricia Chibwe, 79.9 million. McDonald Chapola, 79.5 million. Magdalene Mambia, 78 million. Patrick Tembo, 77 million. Vitumbiko Chitaya, 52 million. Ismail Nkumba, 77 million. Zuze Zimpita, 77 million. Netsen Kamodzi, 77 million. Helmeti Mpambano, 77 million. James Sinoya, 76 million. Mapira James, 76 million. Samuel Mawindo, 76 million. Christopher Kayuni, 76 million. Komani Gondwe, 61 million with part payment. Tiankulenji Nankumba, 55 million. Pike Nyirenda, 75 million. Magi Nyoni, 75 million. Zimani David Kadzamila, 75.7 million. Watson Mwanganya, 75 million. Toto Lakeford Mwanza, 23.6 million. Yona Kawaza, 74 million. Hyvin Keziasi, 62 million. Maureen Madaliso Selemani, 52 million. George Kainja, 10 million. Fumu Mdolo, 74 million. Brown Mwingiso, 70 million. Francis Mkungula, 73 million. Judah Zakaria Chimwepa, 73 million. James Ntie Sanji Piri, 73 million. You will notice, first Deputy Speaker, that some names are appearing twice. It means they collected twice. Chikondi Kazako, 73 million. Christopher Chiwandira, 73 million. Collins Lates Songayabele, 73 million. Yeo Gausi, 72 million. Denison Kalimbuka, 47 million. Clara Yona, 72 million. Peter Matthews, 53 million. Dambuzo Chikupira, 72 million. Adiel Liamba Jumbe, 71 million. Bolia Musampa, 71 million. Samuel Kalulu Banda, 71 million. Aaron Pesere Kamtiti, 49 million. Sibongi Rehara, 69 million. Martin Pangani, 31 million. Samuel Chikaponya Piri, 68.9 million. Francis Abraham Chasema, 68.6 million. Benjamin Jere, 68 million. George Jubere Banda, 68 million. Mickford Msampa, 68 million. Aris Juma Mangwazi, 68 million. Kama Sambani, 68 million. Chikuwepo Chitaya, 67 million. Thomas Chibwana, 67 million. John Paul Kandinga, 47 million. Gift Tembo, 67 million. Gabriel Sambani, 67 million. Bernard Navio Piri, 67 million. Bright Saka, 67 million. John Million, 67 million. Tionge Ngoma, 67 million.
Point of order.
Honorable Minister of Agriculture, we have a legitimate point of order coming from the Honorable Minister of Education. What has gone out of order, Honorable?
I know, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, the respect I enjoy from members of the House. Can you read the name and indicate whether it is me or not?
Thank you. Honorable Minister of Agriculture, please take that name again and indicate the details if it is the Vice President for the
Deputy
DPP.
Speaker, I read the name as Bright Saka. It's BRIGHT for Bright and SAKA for Saka. Tionge Ngoma, 66 million. Clement Lasseni, part payment, 44 million. Vincent Piri, 66 million. Kenzi Msukwa, 66 million. Michael Kumbemba, 65.9 million. Again, Michael Kumbemba, I think this was just a repetition. Patricia Tebulo, 65 million. Kingsley Missioni, 65 million. Figirita Gomeza, 65 million. Beatrice Mtunzi, 65 million. Brian Jerry, 65 million. Dismas Chingwandu, 65 million. Ntende Mapoka Eden, 64 million. Christopher Siliako, 64 million. Simeon Banda, 64 million. Edward Noah Ulaya, 64 million. Ephraim Charles, 64 million. Edgar Ngongola, 64 million. Panganani Chunga, 64 million. Rubina De Silva Matekenya, 64 million. Evelyn Dunga Maeso, 64 million. Trasizio Pidi, 55 million, part payment. Clement Imponda, 63 million. Joseph Ngoma, 63 million. Precious Mkomera, 63 million. General Nyirenda, 63 million. Peter Mwewa, 63 million. Pililani Chichezo, 63 million. Christopher Kampalilo, 63 million. Tamara Nyirenda, 63 million. Overton Gondwe, 44 million. Joseph Sambaya, 62 million. Frank Robert Chukupira, 62 million. Robert Nkwezalamba, 61 million. Hape Banda, 61 million. Haswell Chakwera, 60 million. Clifford Sendeza, 60 million. Joseph Maviko, 59 million. Memole Chikui, 59 million. Peter Amos, 47 million. Austin Mdolo, 59 million. Weston Masakatira, 58 million. Frankson Kalinga, 58 million. Franklin Chunga, 21 million. Fortune Kolola, 58 million. Victor Mpedwa, 58 million. Nelly Nkwaluko, 58 million. Maxwell Kavala, 58 million. Dwight Kambuku, 58 million. Rebecca Kapinda Nyirenda, 57 million. Ernest Benson, my cooperative, 19 million. Maguru Mwenesungu, 57 million. Justin Chipembere, 50 million with part payment. Mpato Manda Masonga, 57.7 million. Kefas Kanjoma, 56 million. Charles Chidule, 56 million. Felix Bakolomanda, 56 million. Ethel Chapita Mpanje, 56 million. Fresham Nyirenda, 56 million. Florence Kamatenda, 56 million. Chikondi Kalulu, 55 million. Grace Nkusankoma, 55 million. Salome Mumba, 55 million. Emmanuel Ghost Mbewe, 55 million. Charles Grant Chiwalo, 55 million. Gladwell Zimba, 55 million. Pamela Mbonekera, 55 million. Linda Lisa Goodman, 4 million, part payment. Nelson Maseko, 54 million. Adam Nyirenda, 54 million. James Chima, 35 million, part payment. That's the balance. Oscar Kamweta, 54 million. Maureen Adsoni, 28 million. Stanley Kavarankata, 54 million. Atusai Nyondo, 53 million. Innocent Gomani, 53 million. Cecilia Mponde, 44 million. George Clenwell Kalua, 52 million. Kondwani Masimbi, 52 million. Malaki Yohane Kasi Zeni, 51 million. Tita Menji Chisuse, 51 million. Wanga Nantambwe, 10 million, part payment. Jean Njovu, 51 million. Laston Mandala, 51 million. Toko Mateyu, 51 million. Confidence Chirwa, 50 million. Luka Ngambi, 50 million. Morris Kachiza, 50 million. Jennifer Chirunga, 7 million, part payment. Zeria Chakare, 41 million. Naomi Simoko, 50 million. Glasswell Kamwoneni, 50 million. Kalirani Foster, 50 million. Samuel Ovani, 50 million. Bright Manet Zantala, 4 million, part payment. Mpato Kadamanja for the 9 million. Chifundo Chikowi for the 9 million. Binwell Jacobo for the 9 million. Letson Limoni for the 7 million. Wananga Kamozapiri for the 7 million. Mwanje Sendeza for the 9 million. Grace Mbite for the 9 million. Daniel Tito Ngangala, 3 million, part payment. Benedetta Chamveka for the 9 million. Patricia Lunguzi for the 9 million. Tobias Zimba for the 9 million. Chikondi Konyongwa for the 9 million. Bernard Miliasi for the 8 million. Lucas Kamwikeni for the 8 million. Jasper Tambo for the 8 million. Levison Sekako for the 2 million. Lamek Konje, 2 million, part payment, that's the balance, 2.8 million. Maxwell Nkwapatira for the 7 million. Lena Ndovi for the 7 million. Tonex Nkwezalamba for the 7 million. Isaac Mdindo for the 7 million. Professor Zimani David for the 7 million. Chikondi Namwaza for the 7 million. Precious Piri for the 7 million. Awalu Manyonga, 28 million. Wellington Sogonombwe for the 6 million. Hastings Yotamu for the 6 million. John Chirwa for the 6 million. Francis Kalambule for the 6 million. Abdul Rashid Obre Amanze for the 6 million. Clara Chirambo Gadi, 37 million. Playmax Makikungwa for the 6 million. Golen Majamanda Banda for the 5 million. Bright Siga, 37 million. Charles Ulaya Banda, 39 million, part payment. Peter Donald Mbulo, 45 million. Dorothy Kamiza, 39 million. Owen Banda, a balance of 8 million. Leonard Kachingwe, 44 million. Chimwemwe Josiah, 31 million. Harrison Chisidze, 44.8 million. Isaac Kaunda, 34 million. Bile Johnny, 30 million, with part payment. Chikadza Piri, 44 million. Muyanga Soko, 44 million. Nation Gonekeni, 44 million. Harrison Nkango, 44 million. Tafera Joasi, 41 million, with part payment. Edward Ruhanga, 44 million. Agnes Siriako, 43 million. John Mwanza, 43.9 million. Kasim Daudi, 43.9 million. Noel Banda, 43.9 million. Stanley Zakaria, a balance of 872,000. Alfred Kaundu, 43.8 million. Lemson Kalimbuka, 43.7 million. Eriko Kanchoa, 38 million with part payment. Anderson Msonti, 43 million. Wilford Bosco Kwenda, 43 million. Love Moloki, 43 million. Mavuto Kufakuawa, 43 million. McDonald Chisomba Danda Ureni, 42.9 million. Anderson Msokola, balance of 9 million. Esther Ngoma, 42.8 million. Msamude Masimbe, 42 million. McDonald Rupia, 42 million. Boniface Kakumanda Kadzamira Piri, 42 million. Alex Bota, 18 million. Daniel Nyama, 41.8 million. Toko Chidzanja, balance of 26.9 million. Cyrus Gurule, 41 million. Michael Kalukusha, 41 million. Francis Halawa Jere, 41 million. Bile Saulosi, 40 million. Patricia Mazombwe Mbewe, a balance of 21 million. Owen Chakadza Banda, 40 million. Peter Gondwe, 39 million. Vasco Maropa, 39 million. Chance Chawanda, 39 million. Edgar Zimba, 39 million. Chisomo Banda, 2 million balance. Kondwani Chikuse, 22 million. Esnat Ndovi, 39 million. Edward Menyauti, 39 million. Peace Jere, 38 million. Devi Banda, 38.9 million. Rita Chakaza, balance of 9 million. Owen Nyirenda, 38 million. Jack Manonga, 38 million. Wilfred Lipita, 38 million. Simeon Luka Yosefe, balance of 4 million. Annette Chilunga, balance of 23 million. Harold Elenimo, 38 million. Marisen Kalasi, 38 million. Waluza Mundali Kosana, 38 million. Humphrey Capito, 38 million. Alex Mkumba, 38 million. Upson Goaka Mkandawide, 37 million. Linda Zapita, 37 million. Kondwani Gomani, 37 million. Yudas Nkwanu, 37 million. Ruben Kapondera, 37 million. Eliam Kefas, 37 million. Macmillan Kampala Nyirongo, 29 million. Leonard Banda, 37 million. Percy Bota, 37 million. Gifting Ngwira, 37 million. Chikaonda Malindima, 37 million. Asha Titus Kandinga, 37 million. Christina Kumwenda, 37 million. Nelson Chirwa, 37 million. Mpaso Jeffrey Banya, 37 million. John Chaponda, 37 million. Ruben Pidi, 30 million. Victoria Tadara Manjawira, 36 million. Loveness Miti, 28 million. Crispin Msema, 36 million. Takondo Mamlima, 12 million. Oscar Simkutwa, 36 million. Loudon Milioni, 35.8 million. Ozias Chidovu, 15 million. Chimwemwe Banda, 35 million. Patience Sokonomwe, 35 million. Jana Mustafa, 35 million. Trevor Hiwa, 35 million. Sylvester Chezeni, 29 million. Gresham Sulamoyo, Kamnyamata, 35 million. Saidi Lemson Banda, 35 million. Sungeni Ngonamo, 35 million. Gladson Kingsley Chimbanga, 34 million. Laura Kanduru, 34.8 million. Catherine Kampandira, 34.8 million. Philemon Banda, 34.7 million. Stephen Chikwakwa, 34.7 million. Mary Patulana Nkata, 10 million. Dyson Gondwe, 34 million. Maureen Chirwa, 34 million. Noel Hara, 34 million. Jethro Fraser Chikafa, 34 million. Mbezuma Elias Jumbo, 34 million. Ignacio Kalema, 33.9 million. Horace Elias Mumba, 31 million. Ellen Gunda, 15 million. Priska Joramu, 25 million. George Kaparamula, 8 million. Arafat Nkata, 33 million. Bofen Banda Campaign, 85 million. Patricia Chimwemwe Mkanda, 33 million. Devi Mungadetse, 32 million. Dyson Kadzanja, 32 million. Harrison Kaponya, 32 million. Austin Kamanjinya, 32 million. Kennedy Msokola, 32 million. Siraj Piri, 32 million. Aaron Chizanja, 15.8 million. Owen Kamoa, 32 million. Brian Story, 1.9 million balance. Laimon Zipondo, 32 million. David Kambalame, 32 million. Daniso Chipeta, 32 million. Thomas Ndelemani, 20 million. John Lebohang Tembo, a balance of 16.6 million. Thomas Malopa Gondwe, 31.8 million. Gribeta Masamba Moyo, 31 million. Lake Bota, 31 million. Laisim Zandu, 31 million. Lillian Katenga Kaunda, a balance of 11 million. Stephen Jairus Pidi, 31 million. Lugano Kalongolera, 31 million. Various Baulen Chipala, 31 million. Alfeo Masiku, 2 million. Barnett Kamanga, 31 million. Gerard Chivwenene Msooya, 24 million. Marizeni Gamaliel, 29 million part payment. Sarah Miri, 11.8 million. Medson Chisempere, 24 million. Grace John, 30 million. Alfred Masanya Banda, 30 million. Bibiana Ngunde, 3 million balance. Patricia Miti, 14 million. Simoni Mwambazi Chipeta, 30 million. Helen Mafreka Simwaka, 30 million. Henry Muyaya, 30 million. Brian Bile Kaunda, 29 million. Andrew Jafari, 18 million. Enoch Mwaza, 29 million. Anne Fletcher, 29 million. Edith Kwambiri Mtunga, 29 million. Tiane Nyirenda, 29 million. Feluna Mpasula, 29 million. Mark Greens Wilfred Nyarubwe, a balance of 3 million. Lasford Nkaramba, 29 million. Chisanzo Njombwa, 29 million. Daniel Manyongo Chitonya, 29 million. Blessings Makowa, 29 million. Willibes David, 29 million. Gloria Magombo, 25 million. Aida Sinda, 29 million. Efren Chiboja, 29 million. Jackson Sagawa, 23 million. Lazarus Stephen Kamanga Ziduke, 29 million. Stella Nkonya, 29 million. Shadrick Gona, 29 million. Eminem Tambo, 29 million. Alex Kazungulira, 29 million. Kefas Kwenda Kufa, 29 million. Michael David Pidi, 21 million. Felix Nkoma, 28.9 million. Matthias Mbuzi, 27 million. Dorothy Musa, 28 million. Harrison Yovu, 28 million. Concepta Kajoka, 28 million. Simon Kamlaka, 28 million. Baxter Nyangulu, 28 million. Andikuza Litete Makumula, 28 million. Blessings Mare, 28 million. Masautso Bikiel, 28 million. Nixon Chindungwa, 28 million. Evelyn Nyirenda, 28 million. Isaac Chisakala, 20 million. Bosco Wilfred Kwenda, 28 million. Elizabeth Ngomba, 28 million. Pauline Kampala, 28 million. Daniel Sosola, 28 million. George Kanyamuka Chisompe, 28 million. Jonathan Kamakanda, 28 million. Innocent Jumia, 28 million. Machisao Matala, 28 million. Kingsley Jere, 21 million. Besam Piri, 17 million. Esther Juzwero, 27 million. Chikondi Masauso, 24 million. Gerard Machado, 27 million. Samuel Yakobe, 17 million. George Nada, 27 million. Lanes Kaunda, 27 million. Andaman Msampa, 27 million. Steve Chirambo, 27 million. Innocent Chitenga, 27 million. Betty Ngampula, 17 million. Elisa Piri, 27 million. Emile Nyondo, 27 million. Hunter Kapita Kavina, 13 million. Maria Chiringa, 4 million. John Gutsu, 27 million. Bernard Njati, 27 million. Anthony Kandege, 26 million. Talimba Saide, 10 million. Linda Utembe, 26 million. Patience Kamaliza, 11.9 million. Yanjanani Piri, 26 million. Ayuda Patricia Somanje, 26 million. Samson Cholani, 14 million balance. Eda Mafulirwa, 26 million. Martin Kwazizira, 26 million. David Kwaloza, 26 million. Alfred Kutengule, 26 million. Austin Marco, 26 million. Hamilton Edison Chingwede, balance of 7 million. Weyani Chirwa, 19 million. Selam Sisha, 25 million. Samson Chazia, 25 million. Aonenji Kapantengo, 25 million. Whisk Kapangire, 22 million. Francisco Zimba, 25 million. Langton Kosa Gamwendo, 25 million. Tuonge Nyasulu, 25 million. Juma Mbaluko Banda, 25 million. Paul Kumbulasi, 25 million. Frank Chadzunda, 25 million. Ive Paul, 25 million. Samu Chipakara Sylvester, balance of 1.2 million. Astrida Elina Beza, 25 million. Roslyn Mandala, 25 million. Abraham Liwonde, 25 million. Kingsley Tambala, 25 million. Richard Chirwa, 25 million. Sylvester Sandifolo, 25 million. Charles Nzawa, 25 million. Lisbon Koma, 25 million. Simeon Harrison, 25 million. Soka Chitaya, 25 million. Misias Chipanya, 25 million. Caroline Kashirika, 10 million. Edward Nkosiane Piri, 25 million. Geoffrey Chikanda, 20 million. Yobu Banda, 25 million. Lofiam Letesi, 25 million. Grace Kalanda, 25 million. Wongani Nganjo, 25 million. Ruth Navaya Msisha, 24 million. Maxwell Chiwalo, 24 million. Samson Chinguluma, 24.9 million. Rush Zimba, 24.9 million. Alice Ntenjera, 24.7 million. Jean Mtetiwa, 5.8 million. Elijah Kendrick Chiwaya, 9 million. Charles Seda, 24 million. Joseph Chavula, 24 million. Todi Kalua, 24 million. Bile Milimbo, 5 million. Laston Nteka Banda, 23 million. George Gwauya, 17 million. Fanuel Kapute, 3.9 million. Tipirire Chamba Nkoma, 638,000 balance. Maxwell Ruhana, 23 million. Duncan Zamangwe, 16.4 million. Steady Mangwazu Banda, 23 million. Alex Chakwanina Mvula Major, 23 million. Dalitso Chimdzeka, 22 million. Felix Lukwa, 22.6 million. Mpatso Chirwa, 22.3 million. Kennedy Chimpazi Mahio, balance of 9 million. Cecilia Gondwe, 22 million. Alice Kamanga, 21.9 million. Afoso Zulu Jamali, 21.9 million. Austin Madalitso, 21.9 million. Chikondi Kamwaza, 21.9 million. Chisomo Zuze, 21.9 million. Christina Mawele, 21.9 million. Derek Ntawira, 533,000 balance. Edward Joshua, 21.9 million. Edward Mwale, 21.9 million. Emile Nongoneza, 21.9 million. Ephraim Abel Kayembe, 21.9 million. Fanuel Mateo Banda, 21.9 million. Frank Nderemani, 21.9 million. Harold Dismisi, 21.9 million. Horea Mtendere, 21.9 million. Innocent Shadrach, 21.9 million. Jailos Kolovisi, 21.9 million. Kumbo Chipeta, 21.9 million. King Parker, 21.9 million. Kondwelani Bazio Chatua, 21.9 million. Lamek Chikunda, 21.9 million. Lanos Kalinduna, 21.9 million. Magi Mpande, 21.9 million. Patricia Kalumikiza, 21.9 million. Rachel Fachi, 21.9 million. Zinda Babotoman Jere, 21.9 million. Fred Mvula, 21.9 million. Jacqueline Frank, 21.9 million. Francis Gilbert Banda, 21.8 million. David Kadzani, 21.7 million. Eric Jackson Kachingwe, 21.7 million. Owen Aselod Piri, 21.7 million. Sam Sambani, 21.7 million. Vesta Tsokonombwe, 21.7 million. Diverson Chonde, balance of 542,000. Olivia Liwewe, 12 million. Joseph Labson Jovialema, 21 million. Louis Chijiaudzu, 21.6 million. Nixon Chitete, a balance of 790,000. Chuma Chiko Manyama Nkandawire, 21 million. Christopher Singo, 21 million. Joseph Chawinga Shawa, 21 million. Peter Foloma, 21 million. Efford Goneka, a balance of 1.4 million. Paul Mawerengera, 20 million. Josine Muntali, 20 million. Tope Wachisa Mwanja, 9 million. Watson Msosa, a balance of 304,000. Kinglex Jime Kilembe, a balance of 969,000. Samson Kacherenga, 19.9 million. Albert Nkandawile, 19.7 million. Annalise Matipa, 19.7 million. Muhammad Douglas, 19.7 million. Benedetta Shamveka, 19.3 million. Blessings Naomi Kaipa, 14 million. Honorable Darlington Harawa, 19 million. Gerard Machado, 18 million. Mere Chaula Chinyumba, 11 million. Luce Kwapata, 11.6 million. Morris Chikoja, 18 million. Steri Nkwezalamba, 17 million. Ali Kinkungula, 16 million. Charles Mpande, 16 million. Matilda Ngarande, 16 million. Samson Siwande, 15 million. Jacqueline Frank, 16 million. Patricia Chaola, 16 million. Grace Nyangulu, 16 million. Angelo Zimba, 16 million. Davis Yambo, 15 million. Ariele Chapiti Mazengera, 15 million. Charles Wanangwa Mpande, 15 million. Chifundo Nyirenda, 14 million. Yunston Kumbirambe, 14 million. Tribe Kazembe, 14 million. David Kambarame, 14 million. Frank Chimbereko, 2.5 million. Brecknara Edias, 12.7 million. Frank Misoza Lawe, 12.7 million. Wesley Kaserema, a balance of 425,000. Robert Mlenga, a balance of 109,000. Charles Yusufu, 12.4 million. Gertrude Nkweza, 10 million. Rike Ron Kantema, 12 million. Joyce Chitsulo, 12 million. Joseph Kazanja, 12 million. Conrad Nambala, 12 million. Rita Chakaza, a balance of 318,000. Andrew Ngalande, 11 million. Chikumbutso Kilembe, 11 million. Joyce Chitsulo, 11 million. Nenani Sawasawa, 11 million. Bright Sausa, 10 million. Edgar Boniface Chiparanjira, 10 million. Tribe Kazembe, 10 million. Virginia Savilo, 10 million. Vincent Makisimuko, 10 million. Towera Nkwezalamba, 10 million. John Zondetsa, 10 million. Kent Mpepo, a balance of 4 million. Edgar Boniface Chiparanjira, 9.4 million. Tufye Sichali, 9.8 million. Emmanuel Mdala, 9.6 million. Jungani Chingwere, 9.6 million. McDonald Chipeni, 9.6 million. Chifundo Chilungu, 9.5 million. Elias Mbezuma, 5 million. Grace Nkusankoma, 8.6 million. Adam Sherif, 8.3 million. Madalito Selemani, 8.2 million. Wakisa Mwaluwali, 8.2 million. Stede Mangwaza Banda, 8.1 million. Selina Kaila, 8.5 million. Simon Kamlaka, 7.4 million. Gertrude Molande, 7.2 million. Grace Chibwana Jonasi, 7.2 million. Peterson Nyasulu, 7 million. Bernard Miliasi, 6 million. Abraham Francis Chasema, 6 million. Weston Msooya, 5.9 million. Lemison Banda, 5.8 million. Asha Titus Kandinga, 5.5 million. James Sinoya, 5.4 million. Viande Yatutu Kaluli, 5.2 million. Eric Usupu, 4.7 million. George Kalua, 4.6 million. Jonathan Frederick Chautsi, 4.5 million. Pearson Isaac, 4.2 million. Tokozire Lunji, 4 million. Devi Kadzani, 3.8 million. Chatsika Kaparamula, 3.7 million. David Eliezer Daimoni, 3.7 million. Kumbo Chipeta, 3.7 million. Robert Gilbert, 3.6 million. Steve Koroko, 3.6 million. Ignacio Tobias Kalema, 3.4 million. Tamani Tandaule, 2.9 million. Bojas and Alice Gwedeza, 2.7 million. Peter Lukele, 2.6 million. Steve Chimwemwe Chikwakwa, 1.6 million. Hare Hudson Manyembe, 1.5 million. Gertrude Nkweza, 1.2 million. Ruth Masinga, 1.3 million. Amos Banda, 1 million. Matembo Ntawali, 745,000. Elijah Kendrick Chawia, 609,000. I submit First Deputy Speaker.
Let's resume our seat. Honourable members, let's resume our seats. Let's resume our seats. Honourable members, it's already 18:26. I would like to thank the Honourable Minister and the leader for allowing her to do the noble job. Leader, going forward, Malawians should now know that this House will be shaming them. Those that seriously take government money for granted, this House has changed we have changed our tone. Leader and the House, some names have been mentioned 3 or 4 times with different figures. There's no way we could be giving loans to the same person within a month or a week or in 1 year. Something was wrong with the system. I would like to appeal. We have heard some members of this House whose names are in that list. This is a serious concern coming from your Deputy Speaker, that members of this House, members of Parliament, are on that list. And because you are there, we are going to take it serious and more than serious so Malawians can understand this. I would like to appeal that those that owe money to these mega farms should pay back. And I hope, Leader, and you agree the period, or we refer to the committee, so that this list should be exhausted and we should be updating this House when payments have been made. I see the chairperson of Agriculture, because it concerns you, I already recognize you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker. After going through that report from NIF, I can see the same similarities with the mega farms. Can't we have the same list on the NIF mess tomorrow? First Deputy Speaker, what has happened on mega farms is the same embarrassment which has happened again on the NIF report. I would like this House, please, through you, First Deputy Speaker, to have the list of the names on NIF. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Because that issue you are just submitting, we will indeed allow, not today, that list should be published to this House. And the names, as we have done today, they will also be announced in this House on a later date. Mangochi Mankibe, this side I recognize Mangochi Mankibe.
Thank you, Honorable First Deputy Speaker, for recognizing the people of Mangochi Mankibe on a point of order. Honorable Speaker, First Deputy Speaker, the people of Mangochi Mankibe would like to join the people of Pilanjuzi, Lilongwe Pilanjuzi, being outraged. Not just outraged, it's appalling that this kind of money was being paid out. It does not make any economic sense. It does not make any sense at all. Actually, I would like the Minister to ask the Minister of Agriculture to consider suspending this program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Honorable Member, I hear your cry, but for now, we hear the program has already been suspended based on some modifications to the program. But I sustain your point of order. We need to make it that it is suspended for now, that this is looked into and rectified. Lilongwe.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker. Through you, I would like to ask the Minister of Agriculture on what steps will she take to make sure that these monies are paid back, because some of the people involved are very senior in government, like the second vice president. We have other names as well who are in government and opposition. So I would like...
It is very... Resume your seat now. Honour Member, resume your seat. Honour Member, the second vice president His names are Right Honorable, His Honor, Enoch Kanzingeni Chihana. We did not hear that name here, and you cannot reflect on the office of the Vice Presidency. If you have personal issues, you can take them anywhere. But according to what the Honorable Minister has said, there was no Enoch Kanzingeni Chihana. Please withdraw that allegation. It's not right for this House.
All right. The First Deputy Speaker, I withdraw that and say it like this. There are other names like Chakufa Chihana, which I heard, and I correctly heard that name. No, I didn't hear that name unless I heard that name. But I would like to know how are they going to, and they are deceased. They are deceased names that have been mentioned again. I want to know what steps is the ministry going to take to make sure it corrects from this. Thank you.
Honourable Minister. Honourable Minister.
Thank you very much, Second Deputy Speaker. Firstly, I would like to thank you for correcting the Honourable Member for saying that I mentioned the second Vice President. I didn't, and I don't know whether the Chakufa Chihana I mentioned is related to him. So I really think you were right to correct that. And I've already stated in my statement that we are making everything possible to make sure that this money is collected and it will be collected. I've mentioned names here. I did not choose who I should mention, who I should not mention, meaning that everybody will be treated equally. So I want to assure the member that this money will be collected. Thank you very much, Second Deputy Speaker.
Thank you. This issue, Honourable Member, you don't have. Please switch off the microphone. Please. Honourable Members, it has been clarified. Everyone has heard what the Honourable Minister said. It is 1834. Honourable Member, resume your seat. Please resume your seat. Honourable Members, the issue under discussion this evening was a very serious issue, and it has helped us, all of us, to understand what happens behind the doors. It has always been said, politicians. Now we know who are the politicians that swindle money from government. Please pay back. I want to repeat this, pay back this money. If you don't, you're going to face this House. This House has powers. One by one, you'll be summoned to this House. And from here, you not go back home. We want to say this on the strongest terms. And I want the media to quote me right. It is embarrassing . Thank you, Honourable Members. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Honourable Members, this House has always been associated with corruption. We are struggling today to attain the best, even for our constituencies, of being associated with corruption. I would like to encourage ministers. You have started so well. Please bring out the rot in the government system. Those that thought they were safe, they were no longer safe. And the Right Honourable Speaker, Samuel Gafar Suleiman, will always grant you the floor to expose the rot in the government systems. Honourable Members, it makes us happy to go home now, but no need for guidance. Tomorrow is a private members. It's a Thursday. No need for guiding anyone here. You don't have those powers of guiding business for tomorrow, Honourable Member, because there are so many backbenchers. No one backbencher will rise today on a government day to be detecting about business tomorrow. But tomorrow on a private member can rise, not today. Thank you very much. It is 18:37. I adjourn the House to tomorrow, Thursday, the 26th February, 9:30 a.m. House adjourned.
Ndikukhulupirira kuti mwamvetsera mayina onse amene atchulidwa mmene mukutha kumva kuti muli mayina ngati achina Ezekiel Ching'oma, anthu ambiri odziwika mu ndale nawonso adali gulu limodzi looneka nawo ndalama zochuluka ndithu, komanso kufikira tsiku la lero ndalamazo sadabwenze. So pambali pamenewa a Rosa Fachimbirizi komanso mawaliro amenewa Minister of Finance amene nda Joseph Mwanamveka apemphedwa kuti abweresenso listi ina ya mayina a anthu amene anatenga ngongole ku NIFU. Yes, ku NIFU. Pambali pa zimenezo a Rosa Fachimbirizi anenanso kuti listi ya mayina imene yaulutsidwa lero iyi ndi listi imene ikuoneka kapena ikuchita apiye kuti adasata ndondomeko of course pondenga ngongole koma akadi kufikira lero sadabwenze. Komanso akufotokoza kuti pali mayina ena amene adatenga ngongole mosasata ndondomeko kapena macorrupt amene adapeza ngongole za mega farms mu ganizo lina mwina mochitana akujeserana pambali kuti apasane ndalama. List imene yonse kuti ilipo ndipo akhalenso akubwera naye. So tikhale tikumva zochuluka zochitisa manyazi zimene zakhala zochitika mu nthawi ya utsogoleri wa Dr. Lazarus Mark Kafe Chakwera. Koma funso langa ndilonena kuti ndalama za ku mega farms zinachokera kuti, koma ngati zili zochokera kwa anthu amene amatithandiza, ngati amamvetsera zimenezi musaiwale kuti parliament athu anthu amaiko ena amakhalanso kumamvetsera kuti tikukambirana zotani. Nangano amene ali madonors akuimva bwanji nkhani, kumva ndalama za nkhani anthu akugawana, anthu ndotukuka kale, anthu andale kunena kuti ndalama si nkhani kwa iwo, koma kukalowereranso ndalama zimene kazipindulira anthu ena ake amene ndi ovutika. Tamvani nanga taganizani kunena kuti amene ali madonors athu nkhani imeneyi akuimva bwanji, nanga mukuyembekeze kuti anthu amene amatithandiza dziko lino la Malawi kuti tizichita zinthu amene wawa angapitira kumatithandiza malingana ndi momwe zinthu zathu tikumazichitira kuno ku Malawi. Chifukwa anthu ambiri Malawi kuba zafika kuno kuti samvaso chisoni, ndalama amaba amene angathere mene angafunire alibenso mantha aliwonse amachita zilizonse zimene wakuganiza. So yankhani za maganizo anu kudzera mu comment section kuti inu mukuona mutani kumbali yathu amadonors amene amatithandiza kuno ku Malawi. So through comment section nomwe ndingadziwire komanso kumva maganizo anu. So mvide msewale budali ndine wanu wa nthawi zonse Mark Thompson, ndipo ngati mwayikonda musewale kuchita like komanso subscribe kuti tithenso kukupatsirani ena mwa mavideos amene khala mwakonzerani pano pa Sama Vita YouTube channel. Bye.
The Minister thereafter took questions on the statement from honorable members representing the following constituencies: Lilongwe Msoze, Zimba Southwest, Lilongwe Khoma, and Lilongwe Demera, among others. The second statement was presented in the House by the Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Water Development on Mega Farms Progress Report and Future Plans. Honorable members,